Hello friends, today I am going to show how to use MS Word shortcut keys. So these shortcut keys are very useful in your daily life. Okay, when you have to use computer in MS Office. So we'll go alphabetical wise. So let us see this one. So these are the MS Word shortcut keys. So these are the alphabetical wise, Control A to Z. Okay, I will read one by one. See here, Control plus A means select all, B means bold, C means copy, D means font, E for center, F for find, G go to H replace, I for italic, J for justify, K for hyperlink, L for left, M for indent, N for new, O for open, P for print, Q for remove paragraph formatting, R for write, S for save, T for indent, hanging indent, U for underline, V for paste, Control plus W close, X means cut, Y means redo, Control plus Z means undo. Now we will see practically each one how to you use this one shortcut keys. Okay, let us take new file, go to the file and new, and you take the create. Okay, so this is the document page, and what you the blinking is called the cursor. Okay, so I am typing here one text. Today I am learning MS Word. Okay, if you want to select whole line, whole paragraph, just you have to press Control plus A. Okay, so Control plus A means for control you have to use thumb key, for A you have to take index key, index finger. Okay, thumb finger and index finger in this way. So always you have remember that you have to use control thumb finger and A for index finger, like this. Okay, coming to the second one, B for bold. So if you want to make bold only MS Word, just you select the MS Word and you go to the bold. So in this way you can make the bold. Now C for copy. How to copy? So this is very important. So in this one, 3 you have to remember. Control plus C, copy, then Control plus V, paste. These two keys I will show practically. So first you select the text or paragraph, and so you press the with your finger, Control plus C, thumb finger, then you press the enter and press Control plus V, paste. So this is for copy, and here I use the Control plus V, paste. So copy, paste. Okay, this is Control plus C and this is Control plus V. Now you want to cut, you want to remove anyone. So I want to cut this one, I am learning. This you want to remove, yes, you go to Control plus X. So if X means it will go cut, Control plus X means cut. Okay, now coming here to what is the use of Control plus D font. Okay, if you press here Control plus D, you will get the font dialog box. This is the font. You can change the font style, font size, font color, like this you can do. Now here I am changing the text bold, and 22 you are taking, and if you want to apply color also you can apply here, like this you can apply the color. Okay, before that you have to select. Okay, you select. If you want to change the font size, like this you can change the font size. Now the font color is the 26, and if you want to change the style, you can apply Bookman, like this you can use Arial or Rane, like this. And suppose for this MS Word I want to apply the color, so you go to here and you select the color. So this way you can apply the colors also. Okay, this is the regarding. Now this is very important, alignments. So in MS Word there are 4 alignments are there. One is the left alignment, right alignment, center alignment and justify alignment. So these are the 4 alignments are there. So 1 2 3 4 left alignment. If you put the key here, you will find here. So align left alignment, and this is the center alignment, and this is the right alignment, and this is the justify alignment. This I am going to show practically. Okay, suppose now in English we will start from left to right. The default is the left alignment. Now if you want to make, so for this you have to press the control plus A, and if you want right alignment, control plus R, you press control plus R. If you want center, so this is the center alignment. Okay, now I will show the justify. This is the paragraph. So this I will copy here. I will show you. Copy, paste, now I want to make correctly justify, we have to use. If you observe here, here and here, it is correct coming. So this is the use of the justify. So there are 4 alignments are there. One is the left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify alignment. So this is the regarding the alignment. So control plus 5, how to find? Okay, if you suppose if the paragraph is very big, you want to find some word like this. So, suppose here I want to find in this paragraph or in this text I want to find the copy word. Just you press the control plus F. Here you will find that find. Okay, so you type the copy. Now the word which are the is type here, you will selected the copy here. Okay, in this way you can find the copy word. Okay, so for this is the copy, and go to means here I will show the practically. Now if you observe here, only one page is there. So if the number of pages is there, suppose I am typing like this. Okay, now I am going to for 10 pages. Now coming to the 9 pages is there. Directly I want now 11 pages is there. Directly I want to go to the page number 5. Just you press the control plus G. Here it will ask the enter the page number. Just you will type the 5. Go to, it will directly go to the page number 5. So this is the page number 5. How to find page number 5? If you observe here, it is there page 5 of 11 pages is there. Now you are in the page 5. Again I want to go to the first page. Again you press control plus G, then you enter 1, go to, now you will in the first page. In this way you can use the control plus G, go to. Control plus H means replace. Okay, now this is the text. I want to replace here someone. Okay, so in the place of today I want the tomorrow. Wherever today is there, I want the tomorrow. Just you press the control plus H, you type for today and replace with you type tomorrow, and remember that spelling must be correct, other it will not show. Okay, replace all. Yes, so there are 5 are there, it will show the 5. See here, tomorrow I am learning MS Word, like this it will show. Now the use of Z is control Z is undo. How to use this I will show. Wait, after that find, go to replace. Oh, this is the italic. If you want to make text italic, you select I, and if you want to underline the one, suppose you want to underline only tomorrow, just you select the tomorrow and you underline. This is the control plus U. This is the control plus I, and this is the control plus U. So here if you observe here, the underline is there. So if you want to underline anyone, you can use the underline one. Control plus I for italic, control U plus underline. Okay, justify hyperlink. Hyperlink means if you want to give link, hyperlink. So for example, learning here, if you click here learning, it will open the website. So like this you can go. So here you type the address. So I am not typing, just I am showing you. For example, ex.com example I am showing, it is not there. Okay, now if you click here, the particular website will be open. You press the control plus with mouse, you press the click. Okay, it will open the website. Okay, it is not there, it will show the error ex.com. Like this you can use the hyperlink. Okay, it justify hyperlink. Left alignment I will show. Indent means if you want to set the correct order where you have to type, this is will use. Okay, now control